Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object in Solidworks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay. Then I'm selecting the MMCS. Then I'm going to select the front plane, taking the extruded boss and select the center rectangle. Then sketch it. Go to the smart dimension and it will be 100 millimeters and it will be 150 millimeters. Then exit it and it will be up to 20 millimeters. Okay. Then I am going to select the extruded boss and click on the surface. Go to here, normal plane is selected, taking the corner rectangle and sketch it from here to here. Then I am going to select the dimension and determine it from here to here. It will be 120 millimeters. Okay, you are watching this way, 20 millimeters. Then exit it, and this portion it will be 100 millimeters. Okay, done. And merge selected, it will be merged. So then I am going to select the fillet and click this and taking the 4-rounded fillet and click here, another surface, another face and another face, another surface. Okay, done. Then I am going to extruded boss is selected, click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane, taking the corner rectangle and sketch it. Okay, then dimension from here to here it will be 20 and from here to here also 20 and from here to here is 10 millimeters. Then exit it. Okay, through all is selected. Okay, done. Okay, you are watching it. Then I am going to select the extruded boss, click on the surface and go to here, normal plane is taken, taking the circle and sketch it. Okay, it will be 60 millimeters. Then exit it. Then it will be 20 millimeters. Okay, merged. Then again I am selecting the extrude cut, click on the surface, go to here, select the normal plane, taking the circle and sketch it. Then it will be 40 millimeters. Go then exit it. Then the direction is this way and it will be 20 millimeters. So okay, done. Okay, then I am going to select the right plane, go to the reference geometry and plan, and it will be start from 0, I mean the origin. So okay, done. Then Control 8 for normal plane, go to the sketch, select the line command and sketch it from here to here, then exit it. Then I am going to the features, select the rip command and click on this line. You are watching this direction is upper, so I am taking the peak material slide. Okay, then okay, and this you are watching it. Then I am going to select the extrude cut, click on the surface, Control 8 for normal plane, then taking the circle and sketch it. It will be 5 millimeters and the direction, I mean the dimension from here to here, I mean from center to here, it will be 25 millimeters. And go to the circular sketch pattern, click on the circle, click this circle and it will be 8 number of circle. Then exit it. Sorry, you are watching. Okay, I'm going before again. Okay, I'm going again. Okay, I'm taking the at first I'm taking the extruder card, click on the surface and go to the circle, sketch it. Okay, it will be 5 millimeters, and the dimension from actually this center to this center, it will be 25 millimeters. Okay, then I'm going to the here and select the circular sketch, click this circle and this circle, and the number of circle it will be 8. So exit it, then exit here, and I'm selecting the through all. Okay, you are watching it. Then I'm going here and select the materials. I'm taking the materials is bronze, so polished bronze is taken. Okay, then I'm changing the color, I'm changing it, changing here, and this portion is will be this way. Thank you everybody. Then I'm selecting this portion and section view is watching. Control 7, Control 8. Okay, then I'm going here and you are watching this portion this way. Then you can see this way. Control 8, Control 7, and from this view Control 8, Control 7. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.